Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.4 first section first one. Prove that 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. As in that one, 1 is rational number, root 2 as irrational number. So a rational number by irrational number is clearly irrational number only. But in that solution we prove this one as in that indirect method of proof. For that one purpose by using contradiction method. Let us assume 1 by root 2 clearly it is irrational number, but we choose here assumption 1 by root 2 is a rational number. That is 1 by root 2 equals to a by b, comma, where a comma b is not equals to 0 and a comma b belongs to integers. Apply reciprocal on both sides. What is the meaning of here reciprocal? As in a fraction, numerator by denominator, convert numerator to denominator and denominator convert to numerator. That is 1 by root 2 can be expressed reciprocal means root 2 conversion as into the numerator and 1 conversion to denominator. Same as it is b conversion to numerator, a conversion to denominator. So number by 1 equals to number. That means root 2 by 1 can be written as root 2, b by a write it as usual. Since a comma b are the integers, like it is in the form of b by a, that is nothing but as p by q form, we call that one as rational number. So therefore root 2 is an irrational number and b by a is a rational number. We know that irrational number is not equals to rational number. Clearly from 1 rational number equals to irrational number we get it. So this is contradiction to our assumption. So 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. Clearly, hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.